Hi guys, Kit Custer with the Easy Sales team, and I'm going to take you through this beautiful Lakewood home near all the parks, all the playgrounds, and all the shopping. Let's go in. So if you know anything about Lakewood, typically the backyards are really small. There's no room like this one for entertaining. On top of it, you've actually got apple trees growing in the backyard, peaches in the front yard. What a great space. This backyard's amazing, and I love how you can go from it and just walk across the street to the park. This home has been meticulously maintained, as well as all of the charming updates. The original hardwood floor has been stained and refinished. There's a new hot water tank, a new condenser for the AC. That's right, this house has central air. This home features a working gas fireplace, radiant heat gas logs, newer windows, storage in the attic that you can stand up, organizers in most of the closets, hardy new siding, a roof that was put on in 2015, and a cedar fence. The electrical has been updated with a newer panel, and there's new plumbing throughout. And one thing about this Lakewood home is it features a partial finished basement with a full bathroom. That's a rarity to find here. So if you're looking for a home with character, but so many amazing features and updates, reach out to us today and schedule your showing.